Well, hi there. Good old Josh here. About to eat this sandwich and talk about brains again. You know, I call this sandwich the workday sandwich. And what you do is you get bread and meat and mayonnaise, and I put A1 on mine, and some chicken, and you put it between the two pieces of bread, and you wrap it up in a paper towel and put it in a cooler for 4 hours, and you get it out and eat it, and you ponder life. And what better way to do that than eating a sandwich? And talking about brains. You know, the human brain is the most complex structure that's living that we're aware of in the known universe. It's like this supercomputer with this nervous system that's all up and down that spine, going all out, doing all this stuff. You know what I'm saying? And that's cool to know. I mean, you got like over 1 trillion nerve cells like working together constantly to make up the brain, which is like the brain. You know, it looks like that cauliflower thing, but it's like all these fibers and fat lipids or whatever, and they're all twisted and, you know, like this and just going like that, you know, like a weird web mesh of just hundreds and hundreds of miles of these fibers, you know. And inside of it, sorry, I'm hungry. Inside of it, you got these transmission lines, electrical transmission lines, because you have electricity in your head, like you were on the radio. And so, anyway, so those electrical transmission work with your brain and your whole cell, body, and nervous system, right, and all that. You got two different kinds. You got the dendrites, which bring information into your cell body, and then you got axons, which take information out of your cell body. You've got like, I think it's like called an oligotract or something. But anyways, that creates and maintains insulation around these axon transmission lines. And anyway, on the average brain, per se, and I love saying per se, the average brain, its electrical output is about 20 watts of power. The adult brain, about 3 pounds. And when you're born, for years, you've got all these nerve cells just going off, blah, 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 blah. But the synapses that connect, they don't do that as much until you get older. But then you lower all that other activity down. It's quite interesting about the human brain. When you can't figure stuff out, learn all you can about it. And eat a sandwich when you do it. Merry Christmas. Take care of your brain and your transmission lines and be thankful. God bless. Much love. Anything in my mouth?